I'm Amy.
I'm James.
And this is our home in Vail, Arizona. What were we dealing with?
Preteens.
We had, yes, my daughter did not love sharing a bathroom with her brother. She had a large closet. It made sense to change that into a bathroom. I designed what I wanted out of the bathroom, did internet searches and talked to people, and Joe, he just seemed to get what we wanted.
So this house was built, this was meant to be a bathroom, but they just covered everything up and made it a closet. So what we did was gutted the whole bathroom out, located the existing plumbing lines, and converted it into a bathroom. She had this custom built by a woodworker, so we kind of designed the bathroom around this vanity so we could make everything fit in here and functional. We did a walk-in shower, tile to the ceiling, pretty basic with some inlay border and a niche. And now James and Amy's daughter can have her own bathroom that's functional and doesn't have to share it with her brother anymore.
It made a huge difference for Hannah. Having her own bathroom and being able to have her own space was really important. Having Hannah's bathroom done first helped us to be able to utilize that bathroom while we were waiting for our bathroom to be completed. Our bathroom was just old and outdated. When they built the house, there was no door from the bedroom to the bathroom. Kind of awkward. The shower was right up next to the walk-through. With COVID, he ended up working from home a lot. He was on Zoom calls a lot.
It only took one Zoom call for it to walk through.
And it was just impossible to live with.
All right, so this is a bathroom project that we completed for James and Amy. This was just an archway, and they really needed a door, being that it's directly into the bathroom. So what this bathroom used to look like, there was just a prefab builder-grade shower in this corner here, and over here we had an angle drop-in tub with a very basic vanity and countertop here. James and Amy planned to live here a long time, and they really wanted to make their own and do full custom on it.
So I actually sketched out pretty much what I wanted, and he just took that and said, okay.
James and Amy planned on living here for a long time, so they wanted a shower that they can transition into. So we wanted to create a shower that was easy, accessible, with no door on it. And then we really wanted to give it a nice feature going all the way to the ceiling and kind of carry everything through.
We completely eliminated the shower door. It made that so much easier.
Yeah, my favorite parts are in the shower with the double alcove. So we've got our own shelves in the shower now, and don't have to find my shampoo behind all the big bottles of conditioner. I know I've complained about the garden tub and on these new builds that nobody uses, right? And so we got rid of that.
So this is going to be a voided space. So we added the seating area with storage below it.
That was really important to me. I never felt like we had enough storage in the bathroom.
Also with storage in mind is to have what we call a tower on top of the vanity. So we added that for additional storage, easy access to toothpaste, stuff you use on a regular basis.
I really wanted the mirrors to match the cabinetry. Came upon some mirrors and I loved them. Seeing those up kind of just seemed to make the bathroom. It just pulled it all together. It's beautiful. It makes me happy to be in the bathroom in the morning, and it's just made everything simpler.
100 times more functional than it was beforehand. She doesn't have to go off my work schedule to shower, so.
Not having Hannah complain about having to share a bathroom with her brother constantly.
And it's hard to believe that bathrooms will bring you peace like that, but it definitely has.
So this is a project that we completed for James and Amy. If you're interested in doing a remodeling project or thinking about it, please go to our website, contact us, and we can discuss your project and see how we can help you out.